handle to swing over the mud pit?
That's affirmative.
Oh! Yeah! Them all. Oh! Drink torpedo. Oh! Thank you for your service and your trust, which we don't deserve. Oh!
Low crawling on the course. You go, Julie Avey of the Air Force.
Yeah, she doesn't seem real comfortable on the ground, does she?
Actually, well, Johnny, unfortunately, that photo session took up quite a bit of time. Trained man than a Marine, Johnny.
Oh! Fight that cheddar! Holy shit, they're looking for a dignified way to get that cheddar. Speed walk, skip. Whoa!
Travis cruising for that little guy in the baseball uniform.
Oh! Pinky up!
Oh! Burger flipper, sir.
That one coming.
Oh, my heavens! And she didn't dream of that one coming either.
It just goes to show you, John, no matter how untalented their talents may be, there's always one thing they end up being good at. Wiping out.
Across the corporate ladder.
Hey, they speak Spanish, Johnny. I can help them out here. On three. Uno, dos, tres. Trace and a half. Is it my dialect? What's going on here? 2, 3. Whoa! Like glam.
They really need to get it together. The Wipeout laundromat is wearing silky flutter panties, and there is no delicate setting.
Oh, that was just like the buzzer beater she had against the Crenshaw Camisoles in '83.
Yes, it is.
Employee Rodney's picking a bad spot to nail.
Oh! I fear he's just going to hit the wall again.
Those new recruits are always so optimistic.
Yes, this is the one. Boots strapping himself to the sweeper arm. Oh! Hits the deck.
Still testing it. Fly Jettis with a 98-degree turn. Oh! Right. Could be all he can be.
Boots, the rookie Marine, moving into a forward area. Yes!
Putting his leather neck on the line. Oh! Right, whipping boy. Got it.
It's me cracking the whip.
I know. I added the sound effect.
Track coach employee and USC orientation boss are off with our non-Spanish speaking Spanish TV employee getting a push. Oh, just a massive few. Let go! I said let go! One behind him. Get Tom.
Whoa, hold your horses, Trojan boss, Tom.
Crap. Well, only one needs to make it to advance.
Trojan man employee. Oh! Timing is everything. Trojan man employee Matt. Oh! Catapulted out of the Coliseum.
Chance to change pay grades.
Oh! A huge slide. And it could about me.
Oh! And you can't keep your mouth shut about it.
I did notice there's 2 places for a headshot.
What are you getting at, Vanessa?
I would think it would be John Anderson and John Henson.
Hey, she's right. Come on, Anderson, you're above this kind of thing. You're classy. Oh, gentlemen. Are you here? Fruit. Small fry versus big fry. Whoa, trying the old potato wedge. Oh,
Rosetta.
hold until you hang up and buy a new computer.
Oh, Molly seems to be having her own kind of technical difficulty.
Cheesy boy band.
Contestants run into technical difficulties on the course, John.
Cannons don't spray for peace.
Not Magani. Not gonna make it that way. Oh my gosh.
Marina, water in there!
No, but you'll need a few shots if you drink some.
Oh, in her work, and we're pulling a stunt on her. Hanging on. Lindsay. Oh. Girl sound a little punch drunk. Crashing the brawl wall party. She's way over the legal limit.
Next one's yours.
Oh, stunt child. No. Bye. Misses again and back in denial. What? One of us had to say it.
Come on, Llewellyn's got skills.
Okay, so the contestants aren't the only ones having technical difficulties.
I ruined your whole routine.
You know why I love this obstacle?
Why is that?
Because it's a family of 4 spinning pitchforks that doesn't show favorites. Like take Philadelphia natives Tom and Colleen Campbell, for example. It treats father just like daughter. Oh! They both get spanked. I can't stop talking about it now.
Well, you have to, Johnny, because our next contestant, or competitor, go. Oh, this is... She'll offer you a homemade pie.
Rosenberry. Punch cat.
And grab the zip line and, well, you'll see.
Look at her. Hang on, John. She just might. Oh! Fun for the whole family. Oh! But I've been wrong before. Oh! Boy. The rhythm. Oh! Right in the face. Squeaky toy.
No, that's a contestant having trouble on the Yule log jam.
Ah, the relaxing sounds of the Yule log. That says holidays to me, Johnny. Here goes Happy Holiday.
You gotta look up.
All right.
Look under that spanker bar, she's trapped, Johnny.
These are popped. Ooh! Ouch! Right into the snowdrift. Oh!
Oh, she pulled up for easy. A Dewey Decimal System. Oh, I think she cake stamped her head. Shot in advance. Oh,
That was pretty good.
Beaverful flies over the spanker bar, getting right back up. Oh, mercy. Oh, I missed that, though. What brought him down?
Brittany Beavis looks like she's about to jump bail.
Did you just say Beavis?
That's her name, Jim.
Up!
More about the feel.
Oh! Thank goodness, at least you didn't. Oh! It plowed from behind! Well, that's the city works department for you. Did it with a grudge. No turning back now.
No! He's made up here on the big ball.
Motivator gave him twice the distance on his jump. Big ball!
Spectacular! See how that looked to Elise on the smash cam, please.
Oh! Well, she likes it rough, John, as Jill found he's ever heard of an internal monologue. That's right, the sky's the limit, but the joy we get from the big balls knows no bounds.
Yeah, like a goose down comforter, our big balls bring warmth on.
Can't miss him.
Oh, she did. Give that warm up, really? Cool, man. Double threat. Ah! Yeah, that stops the ball.
He's on a
Bank and get that grand.
Oh my goodness! Oh, and he gets a mouthful of slush.
Close your mouth.
Sound advice, Jill. If it looks like that going down, imagine what it looks like coming out.
We got a gift from God.
A middle-aged man in swim trunks? We got plenty of those. What makes this guy so special? Whoa! Did he just do a belly flop on dry land?
Indeed, he did.
Sweet! Can he do any other cool stuff? All right, one-trick pony. Bet he wishes these guys voice.
And we love the motivator here for crowd control. Please step away from the big balls.
Using his extra cartilage to achieve full speed.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, the land shark went after those big balls like they were land seals.
Bring up to the classic big balls.
No hesitation here. There's a princess to save.
Yeah.
Look at him go! Go!
Most rockers could use a thorough scrubbing from the car wash. Oh, I don't think that's the first time he's been washed up either.
Feel about your meatloaf.
I can't.
Ooh. How far that grounded pound got? Oh! Hope it comes with a rainy day guarantee. Oh! Christina may be undeclared, but we've made our decision on the best obstacle of the day. Everybody's getting worked over at the Wipeout car wash. Oh! The deluxe treatment includes getting hosed. Oh! Whacked. Ooh! Polished. Degreased and re-greased. Oh! Here at Wipeout. And I always said, walk softly and carry a big corn dog on a stick. Oh! Feel better?
Sorry.
Don't be. Nana considers that a compliment. In fact, that's how she taught me my ABC. Oh! He flew like the Red Baron.
Sweet Lord.
Whoa!
Hey.
Oh!
We know they wanted more, so here you go.
11 herbs and spices. 400 times the recommended daily allowance of calcium.
We would like to take this moment to celebrate the unsung heroes of pizza, the delectable dairy, and those juicy ripe tomatoes.
But seriously, if you're looking for something tasty for the whole family, make it a pizza rolling. Oh, Wipeouts, just like a mama used to make.
Down to just 2 spots now. Who wants them? Great chef! Ha ha!
Wow, I don't know what's worse, Johnny, being on national television and having this happen, or us forgetting who you are.
This is for you, Joe!
And the sign of the cross belly flop. He'll competitive fire a liquid mech. All that's left to do now is spring himself into the wipeout zone. Oh, right in the joystick. Oh, after that collision, Donkey Kong probably feeling more like Miss Pac-Man.
Gears up, jumping, landing, and sliding.
And Santa Claus, yes!
Turn, ready, aim, slide.
The bully goes flying, but somehow lands on the platform. Amazing. We gotta make a move now.
Out of nowhere, here comes Donkey Kong sprinting by.
Oh, arcade fire.
Don't do that around.
Bully determined to give the slide a little what for. He dives, sliding and slide. A little what for. He dives, sliding and sliding. No fights at the bike rack today. Whoa, whoa.